Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find the link of my YouTube channel. We start by clicking on our profile icon and then on YouTube Studio. Next, we enter the Customize option. Here we scroll down to locate the channel URL option. We can copy this channel link and paste it wherever we want to access our profile at any time. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.